Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lalika. Welcome back to my channel where I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences. And remember to click that notification bell. In this video I'm just showing what's inside the Qantas business class amenities kit. So it's got quite a number of things. Socks, eye mask, toothbrush, Colgate toothpaste, because you know I love me some of that. I'm on board a Qantas flight going from Sydney to Shanghai, so please check out my flight review, it'll be the next video. And the Aspar moisturiser, lip balm and hand cream. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.